The law offices of Spar and Bernstein with two locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAWLINK.
Hello, caller. How you doing today?
Yes, good day. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am mighty fine today. It's a beautiful day. It's good to be alive. We have got Brad Bernstein here to answer your question, and I bet you he can answer it.
Right.
Go
Is
ahead.
that a short question anyway? I want to know how long when the
Welcome.
I-824...
Goodbye.
Stay with me.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, I want to know how long when the I-844, the action of the action for the case, I think it's the I-824, how long after you get approved then the person can come to the United States?
What do you want it for your kids back home?
Yes.
Well,
it already get approved.
Yeah, it should be, if the priority dates are current, it should only be a few months.
Okay.
Okay, if you run into a problem, give me a call.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good
Okay,
luck.
bye-bye.
Boom, boom, boom!
Boom, boom,
Fast,
boom.
right?
I don't know what you're talking about when you say
You said boom, you said punch him out.
All right, no problem. Once again, folks, it is the Immigration Link. Brad Bernstein, attorney at law. Give a ring right now. The number is 718-324-5465. Call us right now. Hello, caller. How you doing?
Yes, good afternoon. I would like to ask Mr. Bernstein a quick question. My son was born in the United States. He's 21 years of age. He has a criminal record. He's on probation right now, and he wants to go to Jamaica just for a week. The probation officer said he'll give him a letter, but I was worried about immigration because I don't know what's going on. So I wanted to ask Mr. Bernstein, is it safe?
He was born in the United States. He's a U.S. citizen. There's no immigration problem whatsoever.
None whatsoever.
None whatsoever.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bernstein.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay, once again, folks, the number is 1-800-LAWLINK. To set up your appointments, make that call right now. That's 1-800-529-5465. That's the law offices of Spar and Bernstein, a full-service law firm, personal injury, criminal defense, family law, and obviously immigration. Let's take another call right now, right here. My name is Squeeze on Link Up Radio. Brad Bernstein.
Yes, I have a priority date of December 2002. It's a work-based application. Can you tell me how long I have to wait?
You have an application. I didn't hear what you said.
I have, I was sponsored. My priority date, I got labor office approval. My
you had the
priority
labor
date is
application
December
approved in
2002.
Okay. Now, how long you have to wait?
Yeah,
What is your job?
housekeeper.
Okay. Right now, there are no more visas available for housekeepers. When they became unavailable, they were in October of '01. So you figure you've got at least a year or so moving forward. But then you also have to ask a question. Did you have anything filed before April 30th,
Yes, I did.
2001? Then, yeah, you have about a year, I would say.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right. Good luck.
Caller, how you doing?
Hi, okay. I'm calling for behalf of a friend of mine.
Okay, go ahead. You're speaking on behalf of a friend, but just pretend it's you. Go ahead.
Okay, a friend of mine have a felony, and he's supposed to go on for his green card. What can he do about it?
What's the felony for?
Assault.
Assault?
Yes.
That's was assault in what, the first degree?
I think assault. I think is the second or the third.
Well, a third is definitely a misdemeanor.
Okay.
Second, I'm not sure off the top of my head, but you can go for. Is that person on probation or anything?
Yes.
All right. First of all, you got to wait till probation is over before you do anything with immigration, because immigration is going to say if you're on probation, then as part of the adjustment of status, you have to show that you are a person of good moral character, and immigration takes the position that if you're on probation, you can never establish good moral character while you're on probation. So the probation has to be over first of all. Then you can try to file an adjustment of status. You would need a 212H waiver to overcome the reason that they're going to deny you because you have an assault, and the 212H waiver would try to overcome that. It's done on the. Sometimes you hear people say the 601 waiver, and that's based on hardship to your spouse or children if you were not granted your green card. But you got to wait till probation's over first.
Okay.
Hello, caller. How you doing?
Hi, may I speak to Brad, please?
Absolutely. He's listening. He's waiting for your question.
Okay, Brad, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good. I'm filing a petition for my mother. I'm a U.S. citizen, but she's in the country right now, and she does not want to do an adjustment of status because she wants to keep going back and forth until she gets through. So I'm just doing the I-130. How long will that take?
Less than a year.
Less than a year?
Yeah.
Okay, what if she does the adjustment of status? How long will that take?
About 6 months, and she can get a travel document in about 3 to 4 months if she wants to go back and forth.
Okay.
So she would be here for about 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
And then you apply for the advanced parole with it. And as a matter of fact, when you go to file the adjustment now, because they raised the fees, okay, since they raised the fees, when you do the adjustment, the first advanced parole is free. You don't even pay for it.
Okay.
All right, so it doesn't cost anything more to do it.
Okay. Thank you.
But she can't overstay her time. The adjustment's got to be filed before her I-94 expires.
Right.
And also make sure that it's not filed within the first 60 days of her entry into the United States.
Before the first what?
First 60 days of her entry, I would not file the adjustment.
Okay. What happened? She wants to go back in February, and she came in August. So.
She came in August?
Right.
Yeah, so when in August?
Around the 22nd.
All right, so then I would file the end of October, and then hopefully she should get the advanced parole by February.
Okay, thank you.
What's your question?
Yes, we filed my green card through an EB3 application, and I still have my H-1B right now, which is valid until September next year. And I just want to ask, is it better to just file for advance parole in order for me to go in and out of the U.S., or just apply for the visa stamp through my H-1B?
You can. Well, you need a new visa in your passport.
Yeah, it's about to expire this September.
Yeah,
the visa
then
stamp in my passport.
absolutely. If you had the visa, I'd say it really doesn't matter. You can use either one. But if you have to apply for a visa, it's so much easier to just do the advanced parole because there's no interview. You don't have to be concerned that if you leave the United States, you run into a problem at the U.S. Embassy. The advanced parole, it's all given to you before you leave, so you know you're coming back.
How long is it good for?
A year.
A year, and usually how long does it take for me when I try to apply it right now?
For adjustment of status?
For the advanced parole?
Oh, about 3 months.
About 3 months. So
Yeah.
can we file all together with a 485
Absolutely.
advanced parole?
Absolutely, and you know what? The advanced parole is free on the first advanced parole when you do the adjustment.
Oh, it's free?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good. How about with the work authorization? Because I'm working right now and my wife is dependent, so when I file for...
You do the adjustment, you file for her work permit as well. And
how long does it usually take?
90 days.
90 days?
Yeah.
So is it okay, so right now it's 90 days, it's current, everything is current?
No, not everything is current. I don't know what your priority date is. I'm just assuming that you're eligible to adjust your status.
Yes, actually I am. Once I'm eligible
What is your priority date?
It's April 2005.
All right, 1 second.
We filed before the August 13 deadline.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. By the way, folks,
You're absolutely fine. They're only processing August 1st, 02, so you're fine.
You're good to go.
Okay.
No. They are filing August 1st, 02 for third preference in September, but if you file before that August 18th deadline, they were taking everybody.
So I was considered okay.
So you're okay.
I'm
You're
okay.
Good to go.
Thank you so much, sir.
All
You have a nice day.
Where are you from?
I'm actually from the Philippines.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
That's good,
Thanks.
man. Spread the word, man. Spread the word.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Hey, hold up. Before you go, man, what's your favorite and the #1 immigration show in the world?
Of course, it's 93.5 FM.
That's what we're talking about, brother.
Ball link.
Tell them, man. Tell them. Let them know. It's not a
It's
joke.
1-800-LAW LINK.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much.
1-800-LAWLINK.
Spread the word, man.
Yeah, Brad, my question was,